So we're still at practice questions 2.11 to 2.15. Question number 3, recording credit sales in a sales journal and posting to ledger account. So now we're actually looking into sales, which involves trade receivables. So all of these are people that owe us money, or companies or enterprises that owe us money. You can actually see we need to prepare our sales journal, trade receivable account in the sales ledger, and sales account in the nominal ledger. Same thing here, we're going to have a sales journal. Like I mentioned in the purchases journal question, we have 2 columns here for calculation. They are not debit and credit, they're just for calculation. Only your general ledger, or your general journal has debit and credit. All right, so for all your sales journal, sales return journal, they're all just for calculation's sake, because later on we'll learn something called a trade discount. And then we have to put it in the sales ledger, which are names of trade receivables. Must be names of companies, names of individuals, names of enterprises. They must be names in your sales ledger. And in your nominal ledger, we'll have your sales account. Sales account is not in your sales ledger because it is not a name of the person. Okay, now let's look at sales journal. So now we need to look at August 5th. It will be Dartford, 1,480. Then next will be J. Williams, 920. You notice that I write it immediately at the last column here because there's no calculation needed except for the summation of it at the end. 23rd will be Dartford again, 2,840. And then the last one will be J. Williams, 1,550. So we just need to add all of them together. 920, 1,480, 6,790. Remember, we need to write the last day of it and then write total credit sales for the month. Depending on if it's a month or a year, you just have to do it accordingly. This is generally everything in August. The next, we're going to put in, well, only 2 accounts that are needed, Dartford as well as J. Williams. All right, since they are trade receivables, they are considered to be asset accounts. So I'm just going to put Dartford here on August 5th. By nature, they should be on the debit side because they owe us money and they are a trade receivables. Sale. I'm just going to write in here, August 10, sale 920, August 23rd, sale 2,840. Here we're going to write 28, sales 1,550. Okay, and then we're going to write the total inside our sales account in our nominal ledger, 6,700. The total for the month will be on the last day of August, according to the sales channel. Okay, so in your sales ledger and your nominal ledger, the titles of your book. Okay, so there's only 3 ledgers that are involved.